Hey everybody, welcome back to I Am Cooking Again. I'm your man Ken. Today we're going to do something that McDonald's should be doing and bringing back. We're doing a Roger Wood sausage, egg, and cheese bagel. It's going to be delicious. Again, I'm shouting out McDonald's. Let's get them, persuade them to make this. You can make this for your mom, your dad, girlfriend, wife, husband, boyfriend, side piece, or whoever, or for yourself. Stay with me, we're gonna have some fun. All right, cooks, we're back. Let's get this thing started. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna get this Roger Wood sausage cooked and with a lot of flavor in it, okay? What we're gonna do, let's get the burner on, okay? It's electric, don't worry about it. Okay, I'm gonna add a little beef broth. It's gonna add a little flavor because what we're gonna do is get some flavor in these onions. Yes, we're adding a little onion, guys. And I say maybe a couple tablespoons. Okay, not a lot. A couple tablespoons. Okay. And we're gonna put a little chopped onion, just a little, not a lot. A little chopped onion in there. Okay, guys. A little chopped onion in the game. Watch out, sausage. Oh, that sausage is ready to go. The sausage is ready to go. Okay. We have it in there. Get these onions started. Okay, chop them up a little bit. Gonna chop a little more. Okay, not finely because they're gonna reduce down. Get the onions started. Okay. Get those separated a little bit. You know, a little divorced. All right, too close. Get them separated. I don't want them fighting each other. Oh yeah, they're about to cut up. All right, guys, same time, we're gonna split our Roger Wood sausage. Okay, side up. What we're gonna do, we're not gonna cut it in half, just gonna split it. Split it, open it up. And that way it'll cook better. Okay. We got that going. Got these onions going. And at this point, we want the onions to get going a little bit, but we'll put the Roger Wood on top of that, okay? Or make a little space. All right, make a divide. Let's make a canal. Let's get that sausage in there, okay? We'll slide down first. As this is going, this is the time to get that bagel in the toaster. All right, guys? We'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, sausage is coming along with the onion. Everything's doing well. We're ready to do our egg. Simple egg. Now, we're gonna spray our pan. Be sure to preheat your pan, guys. All right, especially if you're on an electric stove. Preheat that pan. Lube it up, guys, lube it up. Let's get this. I have a cheater egg ring. Perfect for bagels, guys. Perfect for bagels or any sandwich you wanna do. When I first got this as a gift, I didn't even know what it was. But then somebody told me, oh, it's for your eggs. I said, oh, okay, fantastic. I'm gonna rock it. All right, let's get some heat in here. Move it around in the oil a little bit. All right, guys. We're gonna crack our egg, simple. No spills. Get a good crack on it. I say good crack. Get that egg in there. Okay, guys, real simple. Discard that. Give it a little stir. Get the yolk. Break the yolk. Break the yolk. Okay, guys, break that yolk. A little stir. A little seasoning, a little garlic salt. This is what McDonald's should do. I'm telling McDonald's, pay attention. I'm telling you how to make this breakfast bagel come on now. A little Sazon, tropical, season. Get that egg a little flavor. Okay, guys? Get that egg going. Our sausage and onion is ready. We're almost ready to make a sandwich, guys. Back in a second. All right, guys. Now with your handy egg former, once it starts to form, lift it off, and you should have a good circle, guys. A good circle. I don't know what a bad circle is, but a good circle. Take your spatula, have a little side fork. We're gonna flip it, guys. Simple as that. Simple business, guys. Simple business. Flip the egg. Oh, wait a minute, Ray. Flip the egg. Look at that. Perfect. All right, it's got the seasoning on it. Our sausage is coming along. Guys, we're almost ready for a sandwich. Stay with me, cooks.